Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. The box is already open because my camera shut off and I lost the pictures of me cutting it open. But here we go. Ooh, look, it's cut. All right. I know what these are. This is another order from that same supplier of the Bowser H22s. There's another order of H22s. So, not exactly sure how many of these I'm up to. Yeah. Nice. I like them. I like Bowser products. So, that's all I got for you today on What's in the Box. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Catch you later.